Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back.
What? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. Upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. I got this cup. So today I am doing a wig haul, and it's going to be Motown Tress and Beshe, which are the same company, just in case you didn't know. I am going to be doing a video coming up soon on wig conspiracy theories. So if you have any wig conspiracy theories, go ahead and put them down below. I think I'll put a post up on my community tab to maybe add some wig conspiracy theories. So, anywho, not even the point. This cutie is Outrage's Every 4 in the color Cinnamon Spice. I did her as a collaboration. I was going to say a collaborative. I did her as a collaboration. So, you should see that video. So, I'm going to do this video in 2 parts. So, we're going to do Motown Tress and then Motown Tress and then Beshe. So, I'll put them up sort of back to back. But I'm just going to break them up just for time's sake and editing sake and
Sake.
Okay, let's get started. Let's do Beshe first. You didn't know Motown Tress and Beshe are the same. Beshe's sort of their so it's sort of like the Old Navy Gap, like the same exact thing but like different price. So just so you know.
The more you know.
So let's start with Beshe. Ooh. All right. This is Beshe's Slay and Style, and this is Aaliyah. And I have her in the color FH4/27. I got her from ElevateStyles for $25.99. I can tell you I'm going to review her in a quickness. Okay, so this is Miss Aaliyah. Okay, this is their Slay and Style. It is a lace front with a deep lace part, pre-plucked, slayable edges. Yeah, it's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it has a face framing highlight. So look at her. Oh my gosh, she has this like coppery beautiful highlight in the front, and then this sort of number 4 with the highlights in the 27. Oh, so stunning. So I scooped up her. Next up we have Beta, and this is their HD Invisible spin part lace. I have in the color F8 Latte Frost. They're from ElevateStyles for $23.99. And this is Beta here. She's heat 400 degrees, HD Invisible lace spinnable part, pre-plucked, slayable edges, ear to ear baby hair. So this is her. This is not the color I thought she would be. You can see, but I think she'll still be pretty. I might have to add some rooting to her, but I guess I thought she'd be a little bit more brown than blonde, but what are you gonna do? So that's her. All right, next up we have, I can tell you I'm leaving this one out too. Next up we have Noah, and I have her in the color OFH1B/26. I got her from ElevateStyles for $20.99. It's part of their Lady Lace Deep Part Lace line. You can tell it's Motown Tress, the exact same model.
Oh, the color.
Really? This is so my color. This is her here. I thought she had a bump. I was like, she's feeling bumpy. You know, I don't like that. But no, I cannot. She's really given me a little bit of a Valentino situation. But yeah, I can't wait to try her. So I'm keeping her out. Okay, just 2 more for the Beshe. I have Tiffa, and I have in the color Camel Green. She reminds me of a shorter version of Motown Tress's Dutch. I'm really interested in this color as well. So this is Tiffa. It says she's part of their HD Invisible spin part lace, 400 degrees, spinnable part, baby hairs. It has a finished length on it. Oh, nice! Finished length is 11 inches. Do the other ones have that? Oh, they do. They have the finished length. They never do that. So Beta is 14 inches. Noah's finished length is 20, and then Aaliyah's finished length, she was like the copper one with the copper highlight, she's 19. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I wish companies would do that more. So yeah, I didn't cut the lace off of this. I usually do. But this is her. This color is I'm just very intrigued in this. I'm going to leave her out too because I really want to see what this color looks like. I'm dying for this. This is definitely up my alley. So it's sort of an ashy brownish poopy green, yeah, Oscar the Grouch situation. I think she's gonna be so cute. So I got her. And last but not least of the Beshes is Miss Toro. And I have her in the color Chocolate Swirl. And I got her from ElevateStyles for $23.79. And she's in their Slay and Style line. I'm gonna leave her out too. Oh, this color. Dude, I rocked it with these colors, man. So this is the Cinnamon Swirl. Cereal. Chocolate Swirl, I'm sorry. Really? Really? I cannot. So this is her. I can tell you she's going to be way cuter than she is on the stock card. I can tell you that right now. Same thing, deep part lace, 400 degrees, baby hairs, all that kind of stuff. So this says her finished length is 12 inches. So that is Toro. Okay, so that is what I have for you for Beshe. If there's any of these you'd like to see sooner rather than later, go ahead and put them down below. I left a couple of these out, so I probably will be reviewing them sooner rather than later, but you never know because I pre-film, so you never know when you'll see them. Hi. If there's any other Beshe wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and check out my Motown Tress Beshe playlist first. And if it's not in there, go ahead and request that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and give this a like if you like these types of wig haul videos. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. You're my doll, baby. See you in my next video. Bye.